ISO 21508, 2018 provides guidance for practices of earned value management in project and program management. It is applicable to any type of organization, including public or private, and any size or sector. Additionally, it applies to any type of project or program in terms of complexity, size, or duration. 12. In the context of earned value management, EVM, understanding the terminology is crucial. Let's break down some essential terms. Earned value, EV, the value of work performed, expressed in monetary terms, based on the actual progress of the project or program. It represents the budgeted cost of work actually accomplished. Planned value, PV, the budgeted cost of work scheduled to be completed up to a specific point in time. PV serves as the baseline against which actual performance is measured. Actual cost, AC, the actual cost incurred for work performed. AC reflects the real expenses associated with project activities. Cost Performance Index, CPI, a ratio that indicates cost efficiency. CPI =EV/AC. A CPI greater than 1 indicates cost savings, while a value less than 1 suggests cost overruns. Schedule Performance Index, SPI, a ratio that measures schedule efficiency. SPI =EV/PV. An SPI greater than 1 indicates ahead of schedule progress. Variance analysis, comparing EV, PV, and AC to assess deviations from the planned baseline. Positive variances indicate favorable performance, while negative variances signal potential issues. The purpose of EVM is multifaceted. Performance measurement. EVM provides a systematic approach to measure project or program performance. It quantifies progress, cost, and schedule adherence. Early detection of issues. By comparing EV, PV, and AC, EVM identifies discrepancies early. This enables timely corrective actions. Objective decision-making. EVM data allows informed decisions regarding resource allocation, risk management, and project adjustments. Stakeholder communication. EVM metrics facilitate transparent communication with stakeholders, ensuring alignment and trust. The benefits of EVM include improved project control, accurate forecasting, and enhanced accountability. EVM doesn't operate in isolation. It integrates seamlessly with broader project or program management processes. Project planning. EVM starts during project planning. Baseline budgets, PV, and performance measurement criteria are established. Monitoring and control. Throughout project execution, EVM monitors progress, compares EV and AC, and identifies variances. Change management. EVM adapts to changes, scope, schedule, or budget by adjusting baselines and assessing impacts. Reporting. EVM reports provide insights to stakeholders, enabling informed decision-making. As we dive further into the world of earned value management, let's break down its processes and requirements for a better understanding. The EVM process consists of several interconnected stages. 1. Setting baselines. Here, project value and actual cost baselines are established at the project's initiation. 1. Collecting data. This involves the regular capture of actual costs and progress data. 1. Calculating metrics. Metrics such as earned value, cost performance index, schedule performance index, and other performance indices are computed. 1. Analyzing variances. Any deviations and their causes are thoroughly investigated. 2. Forecasting. Future performance is predicted based on current trends. Moving on to the basic requirements for an effective earned value management system. 1. Clear work breakdown structure, WBS. The project needs to be divided into manageable tasks. 2. Budget allocation. Budgets must be allocated to WBS elements. 3. Accurate progress measurement. Earned value must be regularly updated based on the work completed. 4. Consistent cost recording. Actual costs need to be recorded consistently. 5. Integrated tools. Software tools for data collection, analysis, and reporting should be utilized. Finally, let's discuss the practical usage of an EVM system. 1. Performance reviews. Regular reviews must be conducted to assess the project's health. 2. Trend analysis. Performance trends need to be monitored over time. 3. Corrective actions. Measures based on variances must be taken to correct the course of the project. 4. Learning and improvement. The insights from EVM should be used to improve future projects. In conclusion, ISO 21508, 2018 provides a robust framework for implementing EVM, enhancing project and program management practices. By adhering to its principles, organizations can achieve better control, accurate forecasting, and successful project outcomes.